Friday, 17th November 2017, and at the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times channel 195, My TV channel 17, and just in case television they far from you, www.wazobiatv.tv/Wazobia Max, where you follow us as we discuss all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. As we do them on Friday, we call them Asepo, based on saying that Jollof. We go carry all the action to from Monday to Thursday. Keep them inside one iron pot. Can't give you license to chook part inside. Not be only just that one. We will give you what they call small chops. Based on current affairs as the matter they happen inside Obodo, Nigeria. My name now is Ugo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they consider politics matter as in the
Yes, good morning Nigerians. Now they are Asepo edition of our Bunga program today. Now don't carry come now way. Asepo be say those of them we miss out during the week we know at least if we key into any of our interesting topics from Monday reach yesterday will be Thursday. Today, now I get that opportunity to do it into sit down, relax. That is them. Hold on to your remote. Ensure say everything they talk about today, every information, every issue they will talk about from Monday reach yesterday will be Thursday. Now feel follow up duly. So that now own contribution also go also they very valid. So by the time now go also call in, we go also know what I go need to suggest or propose to say, okay, this is not the way forward. Make we know we will take collectively as Nigerians will be do it in at least chart the course of this country forward to a very better site. And at least 3 solid telephone line. I will get from 1 toll free line. The toll free line they very free. Me I just they call. Me not talk. The payment me not leave am for us. My name is Asike. My name remains Unkubi. This is As the Hall.
Make we know where make we go straight to Monday, 13th of November 2017. For what they call tear rubber. Una go know see on Monday, we they carry all the action stories from the weekend come. And this Monday we pass now 5 action stories now we carry come. The first one get to do with the action film when they happen inside River State. We call that one River State. Who be actor? Who be boss? We bring una one sad gist. As it take concern, say the security details of the Honorable Minister of Transport, Oga Rotimi Chibwike Amechi, and the Governor of River State, Oga Ezenwo Somwike, they been jammed for inside one junction. 2 of them come they show say, now we get power pass. The question when plenty Nigerians come they ask now say, why these people, when suppose they represent the interests of Nigerians, no fit set their differences aside and do everything when they do to use advance the interests of them. And the reason why we can't talk this one, not be just because of saying now only Rivers alone. We mentioned some states where they be like say, 2 people when we say, be like say there be 5 and 6 before. They don't count on 6 and 9. The quarrel can't always they happen between them. We can't they beg people when we say they represent us. But then they lead by example. If the ordinary people they fight, and we see these people, then they fight for public, which kind of example now they call the lead? Now why we call on them, so when they take the necessary action to you see, say, and we know they get all this kind of issue inside our country again. From now we talk about super strikers. As it concern the Academic Staff Union of Polytechnics, ASUP. That Monday they be announced say they don't begin strike. Because of agreement when they get with government for 2016, when the government no honor, we can't come at the talk say we think say the days of strike don't go for inside this our country. Why these people can't they strike again inside this our Obodo Nigeria? We can't they beg the actors then when they inside this issue say may they do everything when they do to you see say they settle this matter because plenty young people now in the house then they are remember and I do mine is the devil's workshop. From now we talk about the election will go happen tomorrow for inside Anambra State November 18th. We talk say Anambra decides. This is not the time for the people to show their power. The reason why we emphasize on saying at the time for the people to show their power is because say election now the period where we say the people go use pass or fail any government where they for inside power and the people get right to exercise their franchise. Franchise means say your right to vote. If you sit down, you don't come out come vote. What will happen on election day? Person will be saying you don't want to make you win. If the person come win and call the complaint say confusion don't set it for inside the arrangement. This is now why everybody supposed to come out and exercises their right to franchise to see say they elect the right people inside government. From now we're going to talk about the sack for inside Kaduna. As the governor come and talk say no Jupiter. He said no Jupiter. in this world go stop am from ensuring say he protect the interest of Kaduna children. He say teacher when be say no fit answer primary 4 question. Is that one a teacher? And all of them as they come out and they protest, they talk say this, he say no going back. Say go employ the right people when go do the work inside Kaduna State. Now the discussion we'll discuss on Monday based on as it is. Oh.
Yeah, straight up on Tuesday, we'll come carry and go inside the health sector. And we'll come carry one of Bunga guests, Dr. Samson Shinawa, at least enter studio. And what we can look? We can they look at least based on the fact saying be doctor, we can they look at least the estimated 2018 budget where they allocate to the health sector will be about 71.11 billion naira. We can they say, look, how far this particular budget, how this particular budget go feel at least define or define the health sector. And I'm going by waiting Dr. Samson talks a look, say health now one of the major things where we need to pay a lot of attention to. Say that is the African Union in 2001, even with Nigerian Voice as one of the top people actually talk say look, make we ensure say we they allocate 15% of our budget to the health sector. Say after 2001, we don't see any improvement. Down to 2013, still the same old story. And now with the 2017, yes, they allocate 2018 budget with this same money. We don't even reach up to 3% of the total budget where they don't propose they won't spend in 2018. Say this one. Say in fact, say they're highly disappointed. Why not they get cases of at least the issue of health sector where they did declining. Why not they get cases of people they fly abroad, say that they go do it, they go take care of themselves rather than bringing it down. Because say, okay, Oga President will not say this kind of problem. They will say somehow. She know also to say if they are different to also look this, but it's okay. Make we even upgrade. Maybe now we still get this thing. Make we know as we take at least redefine our health sector for Nigeria so that the whole issue of traveling out no go. They can't say look. Hey, say make we even forget that thing. Say, person go travel. All these all they talk. Say, they know what they do. Say, look, the health sector as it stand. Say, you know, even not be such way we go supposed to be proud about. Now, what we talk about on Tuesday? Be that.
On Wednesday, 15th of November, we clear the road for the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Begin the pop champagne. Not be on top of the show. But with the pop champagne, as they concern the lesson on national unity and cohesion, where the Super Eagles of Nigeria teach us. Make a break and make everybody understand. That's Tuesday at exactly 5:30. Every Nigerian, when lights near the house, sit down for front of television, watch the friendly match between the Albe Celeste, that is Argentina, versus the Super Eagles of Nigeria, that is our boys, the one they represent us. We know that Nigeria don't already qualify for Russia 2018 FIFA World Cup. But this particular match is very, very important because the Argentines, they carry Sergio Aguero, they carry Mascherano, they carry Di Maria, they carry Otamendi, and ETC come play that particular match. In fact, the way when the game takes start, they be run knock the Super Eagles of Nigeria 2-0. But Kelechi Iheanacho, just like architect, implots the second Niger bridge, in pull one back. Alexi Iwobi make him 2-2. Brian Idowu make him 3-2. And Alexi Iwobi come put him effectively out of the reach of the Argentines by making him 4-2. Not be the scores now they sweet us for Bele. Now the lessons when we learn from that particular match, now we can talk about. First and foremost, every time when Nigeria score, we hear goal. We don't hear goal for Hausa. We don't hear goal for Igbo. We don't hear goal for Yoruba. Now goal with the year. Just one goal because now Nigeria score. We can't see the way when we see our players play. For example, we give another example, say, Mikel Obi that they went captain and be the president. The other players will control their department, they don't be like governors. And everybody do well to you see, say, every Nigerian shout goal. But we can't bring her back into our politics. We say our president, the governors, senators, legislators, everybody when they represent us, now they the field of play. They go when they shout, now when they see good thing, when lights day, when security day, when road makes sense, when education day, when health sector day. But some people they ask, say, it be like say these people, now only for their pocket, now they play for. So therefore, as Nigerians, when we want the best for ourselves, we suppose to put the right people for inside government. We can't come across and say political parties suppose they behave like the Super Eagles of Nigeria. They advance unity and oneness inside this country. Mikel Obi no ask Ahmed Musa who he vote for before he pass to them. He pass to them because he know say if he pass to them, if he control the ball well, he go pass to another person. As he pass to Alex he will become score the goal. Now the lesson when we learn from the Super Eagles of Nigeria, based on say we beat Argentina 4-2.
Yes, straight up from there, we'll still carry one of the stories we'll talk about on Monday. We get to do with the sack of over 20,000 teachers for primary school school teachers for Kaduna. Come still carry and come yesterday. Now which we actually look into yesterday. And come bring one Ogbonge guest to be student, law student as a matter of fact. Esther Day is a one call. Come carry and enter studios because going by her own level of knowledge as well, she can also contribute effectively to the whole matter. And what do we look? We come talk say okay. Over 20,000 teachers now don't sack. What will be the way forward? A lot of people don't also come and don't question say, look, these teachers who are they sack. Shey na their fault. No be as a result of say themselves, the government don't also do it. No give them further training to ensure that they improve them. And the council say, waiting they talk, waiting be training. Say, look. Say, make we come. Decide to start to come out things where we say we're not going to improve our sector. Where we say you're not going to add any value. Say sometimes the kind of product where they end up offering now say they less than what you're supposed to offer. Say this move taken by the governor of Kaduna State. Say now he like am well. So at least with this particular move, say we could see some kind. At least we could see some kind of actions where we say we're going to help redefine our society. And you can also play on the video, just the video that you see right now, where the governor still stand firmly, say, look, there is no going back on this matter. Say his words are final. We cannot hand over the life of the future of over 2 million pupils of Nigerians into the hands of teachers who don't know, who don't sabi anything. One of you get 75% for the test they give them. For that reason, say no, it is not acceptable. And for that reason, say no, say they no go take them. Say the future of our children and they put our part. Say that is what we should be defining. Now what we talk about yesterday be that.
Una don't hear our gist from Monday go reach Thursday. Remember I said we talk say we'll give una small chops. Maybe we just drop them before we go this break. Our Senate they don't come out talk say as them dey like this now, they don't clear their throats down. They don't begin to take bitter cola and hot water so that their throats go warm because from the 22nd of November they go begin to chook mouth as it take concern the 2018 budget estimate. What do we as Nigerians supposed to do now? Now to carry cotton board, clean our ear so that we're going to hear the correct thing. Carry warm water, wash our face so that we're going to see correct things. Because remember, say when me and Uncle become here, give una the budget breakdown. We talk say the 2018 budget supposed to be different because this one, no, now budget when we say all of us go follow them from start to finish, we must see benefit of that particular budget. When we go this break, come back, we'll try our phone lines open from Monday to Thursday, including these small chops. Chook mouth inside and talk your mind as they concern any of our authority them based on us in the hot. Will they come back?
Эти сборные играли на чемпионатах мира. Нарушение правил тем временем.
For the video now, now Argentina scored their first goal against the Super Eagles of Nigeria. Now the second goal now you see. So and people they blame the goalkeeper say which kind of position you need to position himself like this when they score. But the Super Eagles of Nigeria then pick themselves up. Now from this free kick, Kelechi Iheanacho score. See the way they cover me. Just like the plan when they get for the second Niger bridge. Now so they will take off the team from that Onitsha side, go reach the end. See the way when Kelechi Iheanacho and see the way when everybody takes celebrate with them, showing say that they play together as a team. See the equalizing goal. Alex Iwobi, he put her for angle 90 or last angle, as we call it when we say we did very, very small. And if you go see the way when we say the Nigerian players they combine to score that third goal, it goes sweet. You see the pass. See as he control him. See as he leave him down. Brian Idowu.
Connection links.
Connection.
Say at least make all hands, make it there on deck. We can know say yes. We are working together to ensure that we get goal. And now working together, this is a typical example of working together. This is another one. You see him. He pass on ball. He cut out every stumbling block so they in front of him. Can't do it. Can't put the ball. That's basically what it's about. So make we look irrespective, and this stumbling block, it's a typical example of say, okay, once you don't carry responsibility to give you, once you don't look, say every Nigerian don't come out to say, well, we want to support you. Make we also expect you to say, okay, because of say, if you don't support me, the issue of power, the issue of road, make we know so we take this time. Anybody by the way they stop us from not ensuring say we'll get better road. We're going to ensure say we'll come out that for road, put that road so that now if we travel and eat now power, come out anybody they stop us from not having steady power supply. At least ensure say we get steady power supply. And other sectors, so we not say yes, sincerely, as Nigeria will be, would actually work towards ensuring say we'll get a very good nation. Nation will be say, no Nigeria will call the reason, say no, I regret being in Nigeria. No Nigeria will look itself and say, look, how kind leaders we get. Now because of say all this things they play out. But by the time we collectively work together, what would they complain? You could say somebody could just come and say, yes, I'm going home. I'm going home because there is steady power supply. In fact, I'll drive safely. You go give yourself target, say within this duration, you don't reach your house. I want to say we get the steady transportation system, we get the good road, we get everything. What will it cost our leaders to see me they do all these things?
Very, very true. Now, important question when they ask, because the reason why we put them there, now to do the needful. And I sure some people they look say, this Chukudi Anukubi, the way we take carry this football enter now because of the now we get sense pass.
Yes, yes.
Now the reason why we discuss this one now because of the way we say, if you see how football they sweet us for Bele, they make all of us they look say we are one. Why we no fit make this thing translate
to this
into the way when we say our politics day. So this one a very, very important lesson when all of us need to learn. Talking about lessons when we need to learn, make we also come back to this very, very important one. The lesson of say election no be do or die. The lesson of say you feel they're different political party, I feel they're another political party, but we go still love each other as brothers and sisters.
Yes.
And now we won't beg these two gladiators so when they for inside Rivers State, and not be just for Rivers. We go beg people when they for different parts of Obodo, Nigeria. Some people are the same party than they, other people are different party than they. Now why the thing they be like say quarrel they happen for all these parts? And if leaders begin to quarrel like that, their supporters go begin to carry the thing for head, and they go they cause more division and destruction inside this our society. The people when they for the center of this our beg where they beg now. Now the governor of Rivers State, Chief Ezenwonye Somwike, and in brother Rotimi Chibuike Amechi una be brothers because na the same place na it of una come from. Why all this unnecessary squabble between una? When you come be like say, na this one, na that one. We know say una no dey the same political party.
Yes.
You know una must not dey the same political party, but it go good. Make una do the one una fit do to you see say people belle sweet and confusion and wahala no dey for inside.
Imagine.
See wetin we dey see for on top of our screen now. See different security motor wey park. See as e just be like say dem dey follow theirself bumper to bumper dey warn dem. See people wey wear bulletproof. See people wey carry gun. All these things no be wetin we suppose dey see for inside public. If una dey even dey hear the voice from this conversation na something wey be say dey shock people for body. E get one person wey be dey talk say una wan kill governor. All these things when we begin dey hear am, e go be like say wetin dey happen exactly for inside this our country. We suppose do everything we fit do to use the ensure say problem and confusion no setting. So we dey beg all the political gladiators wey dey this country make dem shift their swords. That is more than keep am and make una work to ensure say we move this our country.
Make we look them into the eye. Make we tell them, na no get shame. Na no get shame.
All this one wey they talk now, no be their eye we dey look them. We should go take
No. Make we even tell you say,
all this thing wey that they talk now, no be their eye I dey look them.
When they do like talk, do this as if, hey.
So this thing wey you don talk now, wetin you don add to all this thing?
I dey vex.
Wetin you dey vex?
I can't be a leader, Chukudi.
You know guys for the person wey dey build statue. Na something matter wey we don talk finish now you dey vex.
No, we go about statue. That one in own case we go treat am specially. That the state of statue I don't even term as. You know say every state get their own logo, motto. If you Lagos the center of excellence. Abuja get your own. But this I say statue own states.
State of standing statues.
Statues.
Because we never see anyone wey sit down.
Na him be now.
SSS.
I would say in fact,
state of standing statues.
Meanwhile, this one wey dey happen now. They say you get one wey they never complete. If you say and they don't comot the person from leadership.
They go do plastic surgery now.
They go do plastic surgery.
They go just change the head.
Remote down.
Maybe now your head they go put. As e be say you too, you need statue. All of us need statue. But make we move further for inside this our discussion. And the reason why we dey talk this one and say our political leaders will dey beg una, make una do everything una fit do to use the ensure say all these small quarrel we no dey see am for inside this our country. From there, make we talk one very, very important one wey we talk this week wey we carry Dr. Samson Shonowo come inside studio. When we been talk about the fact say if you check the budget estimate for 2018, 71.11 billion, when we talk say 1 point for the health sector, and all the challenges wey dey inside. If you look the percentage first, e no reach wetin dey universally acceptable or wetin be ideal. If we check all the arrangements wey be say every country or most of the countries of this world agree say na this percentage go ensure say the thing dey well o. E go good make we fit do everything we fit do to use ensure say we use the money judiciously. But if we check the 2018 budget estimate, that one na one thing wey dey on the other side. The problems dem dey there. But remember say for our small church we talk say November 22, our Senate dem don already talk say that date o dem go begin dey chook eye for inside the 2018 budget estimate matter. We come dey tell Nigeria say this na the time for all of us to participate. We know say sometimes if we dey hear all these figures, e go dey be us like say hey, money wey person no go touch, money wey person no go see. But remember say if this money they use am well, directly or indirectly, it go translate for inside our life.
Exactly.
If na something when we say go ensure, say okay, oh, when person sick, he get drug. When person sick, he go hospital. No be say doctor dey on strike, then treat am. No be say bed no dey, he can't sleep for corridor. Or you go even carry your own bed from house, come hospital, say you want sleep. All those things, na things when we say if we use the money well, it go benefit us. Whether it touch us directly or it touch our family members or our loved ones. So it go dey important make we dey take this matter very, very serious. Then we talk about the Kaduna own. When the governor don't come out talk, say the only song when he know now, I have decided to do the needful.
Yes, so
I have decided to do the needful. Allow me sing this song.
I have decided to do the needful, and there is
no spoil the song.
back.
You go the last time when you
and
go
there's
church.
no going back.
The last time when you go church, now when Nigeria beat Tunisia.
Wait, now church song can't be this one.
No turning back.
No going back.
Which one is it? And there will be no go. You want remake? Are you two-faced?
There's no going back. There's no going back. That is the issue.
And some people don't call us, can't tell us, say, if we want to solve this issue or this issue, because when you don't turn issue, now say the governor don't reach the level where we say, if you talk, go heaven in 1 year, because even President Muhammadu Buhari give him his support, say this thing what you do, now the right thing. And people don't already begin, they apply for a job. In fact, they say 3 days after they open the portal, say people they apply, around 16 to 18,000 applications, now they don't get. He wants sack 21,780. And 3 days after they open portal around 18,000 already apply. Meaning say people there when they willing to work. Yes. Now we can't choose the very best, can't put them there. Some people don't look say wait, oh, make we not just take this decision like that. Say you get some people when we say hey, we're going to need to upgrade them small. But then again, people come they ask if you as a parent you hear say teacher when they teach your pikin not even fit pass primary 4 exam, you go dey confident to say you wan keep your pikin under that teacher.
Make we ask Good Luck. Make we know wetin Good Luck get to talk about this one. Good Luck, good morning. Welcome to As They Hot. Yeah, we'll greet you, Oga Good Luck.
Good Luck is coming from Port Harcourt.
Yes, fire on.
So I'm very happy for that Super Eagles Argentina.
Okay.
I was so appreciate that score that they watched. When I did watch the match, my body was shake. I was thinking Argentina will win Nigeria, but unfortunately Nigeria coming Argentina.
From behind, though.
Yes, I thank God for all the Super Eagles done that.
But Oga Good Luck, in as much as we thank God, would the thank God say yes for that thing? How you go also feel to take relate and say okay, if you watch that particular match, you go see the kind cooperation with among our team, among our Super Eagles, will actually lead to that defeat, will lead to that victory. How we go also feel ensure say we get leaders, we go also feel say okay, make we hold them accountable so that we feel work together, use their sense to say yes, make we work together to provide them results. Oga Good Luck, you still there?
I'm hearing.
Yes, you hear my question, Abi? How we go feel sure say we get leaders go fit join hands together to they give us the kind of results we want.
The leaders go there for the political level. They're not going to work like that because all of them they are looking for their money to put for their pockets, feed their family. So if like they don't say they go work like footballer, if they go but they cannot work like that, all of them they get sentiment into themselves. Two party and this party they get sentiment into themselves.
Okay, Good Luck. Thank you very much for this important contribution. We don't talk and say make we dey work hand in hand to see say we achieve results. We get another person for our telephone line. Ruben, thank you for your patience. Welcome to our City Hot.
Ruben, good morning.
Ruben, you there there? Ruben, I beg if you get chance, call us back because we know say you've been the wait for door of our telephone line. Okay, Good Luck. You don't talk waiting there very, very important. You look and say, if you check that football hole, you can't check the politics side. Say that politics side there,
big
like say the thing get the way when the thing take day. But nothing is impossible. If we strive means say we work hard to see say we achieve it. If we check the way when we say check the composition of the Super Eagles of Nigeria, not be about where the person come from. Say we must get one player from here. We must get this player from here. No. If you not qualify to play, you not qualify. If you're not good for the department where they want me you handle, you're not good inside. Now you make the coach select the very best. Say, okay, on top of this pitch today now, this is the 11 when we say, if I put them out, they will give their best for that particular thing. Shall we feel they get this kind of thing for government? Make we look say, not be just inside our party. Now people won't get sense day. Okay, we want the very best for this job. Make we get this person to come. And the person go work the work like say, not be saying one satisfy one big man or he won't satisfy the person will put them there. He won't do the work because he's happy to work. And if he do it well, the people when they work for, they go benefit from this particular work. Can we have this kind of thing in politics? Now question with the ask, so very important question.
I've got somebody on the telephone line. Good morning. Welcome to Ask the Hot. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
I'm Cassandra from Bayelsa, they call you.
Okay, you're welcome. Would they hear you? Contribute.
Now about the Kaduna sacking of teachers.
Okay.
ICB, teachers self, they know they take care of them. And the matter be say, they know these governments know they take care of teachers. Sacking them is not the point.
Okay.
Not to rehabilitate them, take them to education. As in, rehabilitate them, make them go teach, make them go train them very well. If you train them very well, they go teach the students well. When teacher they teach, you don't get money to go to school, you don't get transport to go to school, you don't get in mind for the teaching when they teach. They're not going to be happy now. So the sacking them is not the solution. Chief go there for this Nigeria plenty. Bad things go come plenty for the country. And so.
Cassandra, we don't hear your point. Thank you very, very much. You don't talk, say, look, sacking these teachers not be the way out, not be the best solution. Say at least, if you say the governor looks okay, for all how we take actually work on these teachers, we don't do it too effective. Make we feel see better results come out from there. But then the major thing is say, if you also look the response of the governor, you go still say yes, maybe you know get that to come the way say, maybe because they do this thing. Now the very best of people now, at least you want. Nobody say make nobody to hand over the future of pupils in the hands of people who know they incompetent. We got Siegbu. Siegbu, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we greet you.
Yeah, I'll work.
We try.
Yeah. I beg. The way forward for this our political system. You know, when I use our football team, they do example. But in our political system, my brother, the way forward is say we, the followers, we don't give these people conducive atmosphere to be able to steal our money and loot our money and put us in perpetual bondage. So the way forward for my own is that a situation has come where we say we will take the bull by the horn. We should make the environment unconducive for this our treasury looter. If we see them, we should attack them violently. In any way. We not the preach violence.
Oga Siegbu.
To the war.
Oga Siegbu. Which one think they go there better of? Attacking them violently or make them come together as one? Say, okay, enough of this. Make we at least make we know as we go take handle this man matter by saying we don't want them again. Make we look around, know who they competent enough to at least to lead us well. Which one go there better?
Brother,
because make us also know say 2 runs cannot make it right.
We don't observe election for this country. Even me and you, we stand up, vote for who we like. Who we want to go work for us. They go turn and put who they want. And we will not go do anything. They happen for this country. I observed Lagos local government election. The election was fully rigged. Some areas, people know who they want. But they turn against them. And we Nigerians, we will say, okay, like their business, nothing concerns us. Nothing concerns me and government. But these people are deciding how we go live our life. So a situation has come that when we say, if we want, they don't want, we come out to the street, attack them violently, turn them, attack their family.
Oga Siegbu, calm down. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. Now why they use 2 hands, they calm you down.
Calm down.
You don't use your mouth, talk and say, we not they encourage violence. So make we just hold down when you talk, say, not be by force, not be by violence. You understand? Now, importantly, we don't use mouth talk and say your right to franchise, right to vote.
Yes.
Now the greatest power when you get. Because now that way you go pass or fail any government when you don't like. Nothing like violence. We preach peace. One love, keep us together. When we rush go this break. When we go this break, come and we'll continue our discussion based on Ask the Hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot. It's good you could be sitting inside studio. We dey take una phone calls as it concern all the action today we don't drop from Monday go reach Thursday. Come top them up with small chops. So many stories now we don't discuss about. Monday we give una 5 in 1. We talk about the drama when be happen over the weekend as it concern when the security details of the governor Nyesom Wike and the honorable minister them being jammed and all the confusion when follow that particular action. We talk about the one where we say the governor of Kaduna State don't come out to talk say there is no going back on these teachers them when we say they fail competency test for Kaduna. He say he no go call anybody back and then they go if they like me they protest from now till tomorrow. We also talk about the Anambra election when go happen tomorrow. We can't talk say coming out to vote now the greatest power when we say the people get it go good make we exercise them and use them well. We also talk about super strikers as ASUP don't come out to talk say that Monday when pass so now they go begin strike. We talk say we think say we don't pass the days or the era of strike inside of Nigeria. Moving further we talk about the health sector and the plenty money we want put inside. How we go take for ensure say the 71.11 billion when they say the 2018 budget estimate we go use that particular money well. On Wednesday we pop champagne but not on top of the show as they concern the victory of the Super Eagles of Nigeria over Argentina. Not be say we come here to discuss football. Now the lessons from there, now we look say okay, oh, people we work together coming from different parts to achieve results and make everybody better sweet. From now we can still come back to this sack of Kaduna. Can they talk of whether another teachers, another solution they to that particular problem. Some people been talk say make we train the one we train. The ones when we say like say they no get hope when teaching no be their calling. Make we allow those ones them go.
Yes, Matt. We can also add small chops also to Ram and all these things now wait till we get fun and at least our telephone line still dey very open for now to also do it in call in and contribute in our own quarter because the only reason why we dey now because of una and if now no calling or at least we will not say yes we never complete actually never complete the way we want that. Me now they call in and also feel profile our own solution to the way forward based on all the issues we would also do it. We would also present and going further to this same Kaduna matter. Well, we don't hear and finish. We would also hear reactions from different people on top of say look some people go talk say look say the action where the governor takes not the appropriate one. Some go talk come and talk say look say why did the governor no come and say they give them training. But if you also look and come wear them the way forward now they try find the governor don't look and say the only way forward to this thing now to do it to ensure say at least he give them screening to bring out the very best out of them. And now after bringing out the very best, will be about $11,000 bring. I think they go now so will take I should say more people when they go employ to the system, they go scrutinize them well, check them out to make sure they fit into the kind and this thing, the kind condition or the kind level where they want as them a state because they just as they talk, they no fit hand over the future of 2 million pupils, Nigerians, in the hands of people who no fit define their future. And these are the issues. And them at least make that call make also here on our own talk over that one and other related topics and issues that we don't table before una.
Another story we've been discussed that yesterday. Now what you have been the try check. It got to do with the 13.2 million children when they talk say they out of school inside of Bodo, Nigeria. These figures when we say they put the fear of God for the mind of people. And the reason why this figure they put the fear of God inside the mind of people now say if we go by the last population census inside this our country, the MPC under Ismail Lamakama been put our figure plus or minus between 160 and 180. If we talk say 160, 180 Nigerians now we get. We can separate men and women. We can check the number of children. We know they inside school. And they say, "Wahala day." On top of our telephone line, we get James from Sokoto. Good morning and welcome to
Aside James, good morning. Okay, James, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah, you talk to us.
Yes, sir. Morning, sir.
I beg your television.
Good morning. Please, I want to contribute to my quota.
You are already doing that. We hear you.
Concerning the football that you just use as a sample.
Yes.
Concerning that is how Nigerian government, those on top, can be able to cooperate in order to save Nigeria. And my own contribution is that when our leader, the president, came there, he promised us that he would deal with them. Those looters. But up to now, we did not see anything happening. And inside the presidency, they are still looting. And nothing is happening. So you look at it that I could have suggest that they keep a law. Let it have a decree. Whoever they caught on that line, let it be death penalty. And I see that could have helped.
Okay, James, we don't get your point. The further call for at least a stronger law we go fit the lead to the kind of actions we want. And from Sokoto, we will come down to Abuja. Collect this call from Blessing. Good morning, Blessing. Welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Blessing.
Concerning the Kaduna State teachers' own.
SAC, yes.
I'm in full support of the governor action. Because I can't imagine a teacher called Premi 4, you can't solve it. So what is this country going to? What are they producing? And apart from that, the only thing that the government just has to do is have to demote them and send them out of it. Maybe give them to maybe other ministries. Maybe that would have been better. Maybe, and anybody that wants to resign, fine, they should get out.
And resign.
And concerning the football they play to the current government is totally different. They
Why
have different goals. Because the football, all of them come as a team, they have a mission.
Yes.
But in government, the politics, each one of them have a secret agenda. Some are there for their own benefit. Some are there to rule the country. Some are there for their family. So you can see, you can't compare them together. The only thing that can solve this country is just that, self-discipline, self-patriotic, that yes, this is what I want for my country.
Exactly.
But if that is not there, forget it. This country will still remain the same.
Blessed, you have spoken well. Thank you very, very much for this. Your solid, Kajadem contribution. From Abuja, we could go on to collect this call. Good morning.
We don't lose the call. When Blessing, they talk, Blessing, you have spoken well. Game of Thrones. They use bad, now they announce a boxing match. Blessing, you have spoken well.
You go at least you go affect you go confirm, say the talk which you talk makes sense.
Now why you can't change your voice? Because now Blessing and a woman.
Inspired.
Blessing, God bless you for this your important contribution.
Oh, now the
and we appreciate the way when we say you be lady, you talk this particular matter, and we encourage everybody inside the border Nigeria to they talk this matter like this. We don't need to talk too much as they concern this issue. The lesson is there for all of us to see, and that lesson I say, if you carry on that thing for mind, when people they hope say you go achieve, you don't go feel achieve because of that bad thing where you carry for inside your mind. If you carry open mind, come and say we want to work for the people, we go begin to see results. Now, why before we can't take that call, they talk about the 13.2 million children when they're out of school. If you check the statistics, check our population, check the age, the number of adults when we get, youth and children. Can't see 13.2 million of these children not inside school. Now, you say the future of this our country, they in shambles.
Can't even talk say the ones who dey school. How much of learning did they get?
Thank you.
Make a consequence. If 13 million no day school at all, and we can also get school system. Maybe say somehow somebody get comma. Say a lot of teachers, the kind of teachers they're gonna be waiting. Suppose they play out. They are waiting to be the future of Nigeria tomorrow.
Maybe
we
Nelson.
Get Nelson. Nelson, good morning. Nelson, good morning.
Okay, Nelson, you there there? It be like say the network they slow somehow, but you be not connect us. If you get chance, call us back when you make your contribution as it they concern the matter what they discuss. So 13.2 million. If we check the population of children for this country, 13.2 first day out of school. Wahala day. Then the ones who come day waiting in the land. Make we ask ourselves this simple question: you get the time for the same country now, where we say, if you go school, come back. If you go school, come back. You go know say teacher they teach. Not be now when I remember during our own time, we get teacher that time when they say meat pie when in do from house come and zobo. And if you make noise, you go buy that thing to escape. So sometimes you go see some stubborn but the doctor say, I beg, this 10 naira.
If I say I want borrow money for borrow.
So no, I don't feel borrow. This one noise maker money. And the teacher now scorpion use because as you they chop the homemade meat pie and drink the zobo, you dey belle full. The money they enter in pocket, everyone is happy. But no be this kind things we supposed to see for our school.
At all.
I remember the days when we say, if they tell you say if your teacher they come from here, they're not who you
be.
You don't go feel look out for eye now.
If you my secondary school experience.
But now it's just be like say you and the teacher say.
You know they compete. Now just
teacher.
focus to that. So okay, like teacher go dey talk to you say, "Hey, boy, you go dey gamble. Who you be 1-0 na 1 era?" Karl Marx, all the way from Delta. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
We greet you, Oga Karl Marx.
Yeah.
We dey hear you.
Mr. Nkubi and Mr. Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning. Continue. We dey hear you. Talk fast.
Yeah, I'm talking based on this Kaduna State
Teacher
idea of dismissing young qualified teachers.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good one.
Okay.
It's a welcome development.
Okay.
But teachers are not the only problems we have in the state. They are not the only people that are not competent in the state. Now, if we begin to check or using this medium or idea of dismissing them, I think it's a bad one because the government of the nation actually welcomed this idea of not being competent when they introduced the idea of go to school. Before now, some of our parents are wealthy people. Majority of them are not even educated because they give them room to practice in an area you specialize. Before now, Nigerian government employ drivers, carpenters, mechanics, and create an environment for them to train people. But today, that idea has been wiped off. All they want is bring a certificate. Now, you now see people. Today, mechanics doesn't even want to do mechanic work. They want to go to school. Whether the person knows it or know what he or she is going to write or not, that doesn't affect him. The most important is get the certificate. And once you get somebody that will give you the job, they give you a job. So if you ask me, Erufai will not do well if he dismissed them. A lady spoke before of bringing an idea. That is one of the major things in job. There must be time for retraining.
Okay, Karl Marx, we don't note this your point.
Thank
because of
you very
David
much,
on our telephone line, we go discuss this one later. David, thank you for your patience. Welcome to our City Hot.
Okay, David, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
I better leave your television there and bring the volume down.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, David.
Yeah. I want to talk on the issue of these the teachers in...
Okay, would they hear you? Would they hear you?
Yeah. I want to say something about them because the issue happening to that people is some of them, we should look on the issue of how did they get the job. Some of these teachers, they were employed by slots, by all these politicians. They were not qualified. So some of them, even though if you are qualified to go to the government and say you need the work, they will not give it to you. You must enter the place through somebody.
Through slots.
So through slots, all these people, even if the Kaduna State government wants to employ another person, it will still be through slots. If you still go there, they will still tell you that you go through somebody. If you cannot go through somebody, you cannot get a job. And that's the problem we are facing in this country. In any seat you want to go for in this country, you must face that kind of... Even those senates, all those politicians, you must know somebody before you get something. So all these people, they are not the right person. Let them open the line for people. Let qualified people come. They will see a lot of people that is qualified for the job.
Okay, David, thank you very much for this important contribution. You don't talk and say, make we choose only the best and stop all this slot or quota system. Lucky from Warri. Good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Hello?
Would they hear you, Lucky? Proceed.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Lucky. Continue.
Nkubi, good morning.
We greet you, Oga Lucky.
My problem now on Kaduna State Governor.
Continue.
Okay.
About the Kaduna State Governor.
Continue.
The man sacked the people very well. The governor of Kaduna State, El-Rufai.
Okay, Lucky, okay, we don't hear what you get to talk. You don't talk and say the action we didn't do, now the right action. But quickly, make we just explain the reason why we end that call. Because what you do, now the wrong thing. Your volume still dey up and the thing they bounce. And I make you know if you contribute this, your contribution come down. Yeah. But we get the angle where they come from. Quickly, make we just look waiting Oga Karl Marx talk. And waiting Blessing also talk. Oga Kama has been talk say not be only for just teaching and wahala day. So we don't all accept say problem day. But wetin they try talk we say make we do wetin we fit do to see how we go take fit manage am. Then try correct them so that this thing no go repeat itself. Because if we take one action quickly, it go be like say we leave one very, very big hole where we cause confusion. Make we always get that for the back of our mind. Say legacy, enduring ones are that. Now in the thing when we say people go remember. It get politicians today when we come and talk say I'm an Awoist. Who be Awo? Awo na the late Obafemi Awolowo, leader of the action group for that year. In a person when we say he do a lot for the western region of Obodo, Nigeria. Make we remember. What do you want make people remember you for? Make we enter inside Kogi. This is our last call. Good morning and welcome to Acid the Hot, Abdul.
Abdul, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, would they hear you quickly contribute? Would they hear you?
Okay, so I just want to add to the contribution that my people have made to this Cardinal teachers thing before.
Okay.
So I wanted to commend the governor of Kaduna State for taking that step. It's a good step.
Okay.
But one thing I want him to understand is that sacking those people like that without making any provision for them to start a new life is going to cause a lot of insecurity in the state. So I want the governor to create another venue for them to start a new life from here. Ask them what to know how to do. They should give them that thing.
Empowerment.
Empowerment, yes. Those people, they have something that they know how to do best. They should give them that thing to do. They should forward them to that sector. So let them be doing the work there. So, and at the same time, the issue of employment in the state, most time, like my brother said, they used to come through slots. So people that are not fit, most of these people that the governor has just sacked now, they did not even pass through the interview. So they bring them from outside. People that sit for the interview, they will not even call them at the end of the day. So people that will not even come for the interview, they will call them to come and start work. At the end of the day, they will not know what they want from them. But they will not ask them questions. Can you do this? Or, okay, if you are giving this, can you do it? So nothing like that. They just brought them to the system and they start messing up the system. So I want the governor of the state to do something to those people.
Abdul, thank you very, very much. You don't get your point. At least you don't sum them up where say moving forward and I sure you say these people will sack. You not just leave them like that. Make you know as you go to also take assist their life, make them fit them, find their bad life. This now we thank everybody who actually contribute on today's edition of the program. At least on our contribution, everybody we don't contribute so far, they very, very appreciated. And that is why we always talk say the reason why we are now for now. So at least Nigerians go feed they get the Nigerians their contribution and voices on how we go fit take they move the country forward. And at least we don't hear them. And the second edition be that till Monday we'll go come up with the terrible edition of our Ogbonge program from you, Ebun Kubi. Now bye.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.